quiz. Am I guilty or not guilty? It is the question that always lingers on my mind. I will tell you just how it was. My father and mother were dead. My brothers and sisters were hungry and asked me for bread. At first, I earned the bread for my working hard all day. But somehow, the times were tough, and the work people told me I could get no more work. So, that night, the weather was better cold, and my little brothers and sisters were crying, shivering, and craving for food. But my brother and I hurried